Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you pretty much just how to group some stuff together. So we're gonna make it to where we're not gonna do like anything crazy. But what we're gonna do today is we're just gonna go ahead and create a box using the rectangular tool. Let's go ahead and make that. Use your push pull, just create a box. So we're gonna do grouping and editing like groups today. So this right here, if you try to move it, it'll just move the face. You can't really actually move it. So what we're going to do is triple click, highlight it all, and then make a component. And you can name this box, or you can just leave it open for whatever you want. So now you have a box that you can move around in itself. So if you wanted to copy that, you could hit Control, and it adds a plus sign on your cursor, and you can just copy corner to corner. So like showing it to do kind of a Minecraft type thing. You could make your own little Minecraft thing. And that's another thing. If you want to snap to, so say I have a box here and I want to snap down to this. If you click here and you hold shift, it'll stay on that axis. So you can just go to the corner here, boom, and control, copy. So now we have a little Minecraft box build, whatever you want to call it. This is how I always make my entrances, trying to make them look a little fancy. Double it up, fire one down, and put a door there. Yeah, so we've created some boxes. So the reason that I use this is for um, designing like architectural stuff. So what I do is like, let me open a file quick. Um, so this is a trailer that I have here that I was working on. Somebody wants me to design something for them, like a trailer. You can kind of a mobile trailer. So I've been framing it up. And this, if you look, I have grouped together all my walls. So all my walls are grouped together. This is grouped to the floor. So I have everything grouped together to where if I want to move a wall or rotate it with these little plus signs here, I can move it out of the way, move it away, and type in like 6 foot so that I can work on something over here and then just go back, move it 6 foot, boom, it's back in place. So, I think that's it. Some of the things that I use for like copying, like I said, are control, hit control, and it'll render through. There we go. So just create another trailer. So just goofy stuff like that. You can hit control and copy and make a whole nother version over here that you wanted to edit and have different stuff on or whatever. So that's pretty much grouping right there. Components, the way that I can describe components and groups is components are like individual things like this right here. This would be a component. So you can see it's already edited as a component, so we can edit it, and it might say, I don't know what the component is. Maybe we can go to info. Yep, doesn't tell you anything about the name, just layer 0. But yep, everything that is an object is really like a component, but a group is like this whole thing is grouped together, if that makes sense. So since I have all these separate, these are all components because they're separate walls. So if I move her over here, and then I just highlight all this, I should have all of the walls. I don't want to highlight the floor. Yes, I do actually. Yep, just right click, group that. So now I have, if I wanted to, I could move over here to my right, 16 foot, and start working on the shell away from the trailer. And then once I'm done, I can move 16 foot back over, and boom. Now I've got my 2 different components, and then once I'm done with that, obviously you can highlight this and make it a group, whatever. So yeah, that is grouping and that is components. And I hope that this video helped you. So if it did, then like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.